Welcome back, friends. I am Alexa. I am the one helping hot dogging with Dan and following Keenan in the laundromat world. In this video, these two will talk about how I've helped them. Remember, friends, without me they would be nobody. So if you like this kind of stuff, don't be afraid, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Also, I would love to get some likes. So if you smash that like button, so I can show Siri who's boss. Let's get into the video.
Basically, this laundromat is automated, right?
Yep, fully automated. Everything from the lights to the fans to the music, programmed announcements, everything's automated.
What gave you the idea to start that? What gave you? Where did you ding, the light bulb went on? Hey, I got this idea.
So when I took over this place, I took it over with the intention of it being passive. I didn't want to have to be here every day running it. I didn't want to have to work. It's basically what it boils down to. So I wanted it to be as passive as possible. When I took the place over, I knew I wanted it to be 24 hours, but I didn't want to have to be here to run it. The only other option would be to hire somebody, and I've never been in the laundry business, so I didn't know if this place was going to make enough money to pay somebody. So I put a lot of thought into it to try to figure out a solution, and I came up with basically Alexa. So I've got Alexa. My apartment is everything is controlled by Alexa, even all the way down to I've got a robot vacuum cleaner
that's awesome.
I just tell Alexa to clean, and it cleans. So everything in my apartment, down to the thermostat, and everything is controlled by Alexa. And so I started to think, if it were possible, how could I take that same technology and apply it to a commercial setting, to the laundromat?
Yeah.
And so this is what I came up with. Basically, Alexa is my attendant. She's my attendant, my bouncer, my security. She's my general manager.
Alexa, loitering.
These facilities are reserved for our laundry customers only. We do not allow loitering. If you are not doing laundry, we kindly ask that you exit. Thank you.
So the no loitering announcement plays, it's either every 30 minutes or every 15 minutes, I can't remember. I have that programmed to play overnight, which helps keeps the unwanteds out. Basically, it's all about the psychology of the people that come in here. It's understanding what they expect, because you think your customers, when they come in, they want it to be bright, they want to feel safe, and they want good customer service, right?
Right.
People who come in here, the undesirables, they don't want it to be bright, because 9 times out of 10 they're trying to do something they shouldn't be doing.
Right.
So they don't want it to be bright. They would rather you not have cameras. The less safety, the better, basically. So as long as you understand the psychology of the people that come in here, you can set this system up to cater to all of them. It really is. I'll tell you, man. You said you put it in 2 of yours.
It's been a miracle. And the thing I think is the funniest that it happened pretty much right off the bat was the vagrants, the druggies, the drunk people started talking back to my Alexa, and they would say, "Shut up! I'm getting out of here already." And I'm like, "You're talking to an inanimate object." They're so out of it. They think it's me. And then one guy, he said to me, "This lady keeps talking all day. I don't know why she keeps talking." I'm like, holy cow. But the good customers, they know what it is. Yeah. Now, they're smart. They don't say anything to the bums and the people you don't want there. But I've noticed with the people there, I'm not going back in there. That person makes me nervous. And you can tell. They get nervous. And they'll walk around looking to see where this person's at.
Yeah.
I mean, it is. That's one of the reasons I wanted to do some videos with Dan to help. I want people to find his channel, too, because that's a game changer. And I think in the future your channel is going to blow up even bigger, because people that don't own laundromats just don't understand what he's done is unreal, really. I mean, I really think I wouldn't be surprised if Ring or Alexa in the near future puts Dan in a commercial. I'm serious to God. I would not be surprised if that happens, because I get endorsement deals and I'm a small channel. I think we just need to market Dan, because I don't think they even understand what their product can do. Because they don't market it to
I can tell you this, just based off of like the forums, like the Laundromat forums and Facebook groups. I can tell you this. Like I said, I get people reaching out to me because I post little clips of things that happen in here. You know, with my Alexa, you know, my YouTube channel, between my YouTube channel and the clips that I post on Facebook, people reach out to me from literally all over the world, wanting to know what I did, how I did it. And I can tell you, I've had so many people come to me and say, look, I went and bought everything on your list. I don't know if anybody can hear me over all these quarters.
Well, I'm sure they can.
As Keenan would say, ching, 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 ching.
I don't know about you, but that the ching 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 intro Following Keenan has is corny as heck. Leave me a comment if Following Keenan needs to make a new intro.
That's a question I was going to ask you. What advice do you have for people if they're trying to find one? If you go to a town, if you go to a place, like say you just rolled in town, what would be your advice to try to find one?
To find a free one?
A free one, or just how
One
would
for
you
sale?
How would you start doing your prospecting?
You got to put boots on the ground nowadays, man. Like you said, everybody, like nobody's really selling.
Yeah.
The key is laundromats are in high demand right now, simply because they're up there as far like people who don't know laundromats see them as passive. They think they're passive. They think it's a source of passive income.
Walk away.
So laundromats are in high demand right now, right? I've had people from California, New York, New Jersey, Florida, Nevada. I've had people from all over the country call me just to try to get me to sell them this laundromat. There's such a high demand right now. Like as soon as they hit the market, they're gone. They're sold.
Wow.
The ones that you are going to find are going to be the older mom and pops that they're not doing so hot because they don't know, they gave up on it, they quit, they're retired, they don't know how to take care of it, or they don't want to take care of it, or it was left to them by a relative who passed away, and they just don't know how to get rid of it, so they're just looking for somebody to come in and...
Basically, Dan says you need to get boots on the ground. If you want a laundromat, you need to go out and find one, and I totally agree. Like me, I go through realtors, I drive around, I see what's going on. He's going a step farther. He actually goes into these owners and says, hey, look, it doesn't look like this is going so hot. I love this. Why don't I help make you money and buy this from you? Or rent this space from you and actually pay you rent.
I want to say thanks for watching. I know these two clowns will not remember to do it. So I really appreciate all the love I get from you, the viewers. Till next time, be safe and take care in these trying times. Godspeed to you and your family.